Welcome everybody. Glad to have you guys to the Life You Love TV. On this channel we discover the life we love through creating an online business. We discover different tactics and strategies and things. I'm glad to have you. Today we're going to talk about Fullstaq Marketers versus Clickbank University. I went through each training and I want to show you a little bit. We're going to kind of just walk through it. This is when you come into Clickbank University. You can see the web page here. They've got an introduction, of course, a welcome, getting started. This section is for all vendor stuff, and I'm not going to talk about any of that, but you can see there's quite a few things there. I don't know exactly what all that is, but here's the affiliate site, different sites, different trainings here for the affiliate program. As you can see, they've got different weeks set up, and they unlock access supposedly as you go through each week. You're supposed to do it at a pace, but I think they'll unlock it, instead of you having to wait a whole week. You've got the introduction video here, basically is all this one is, and then understanding affiliate marketing, it goes through that, and you can see as you go through them, you click completed. You can see the video here.
Hey, and welcome to week 2 of the affiliate marketing section. I'm very excited you're here right now.
And it's only
what we're going to be talking
30.
about
A lot of these aren't very long, and they're not very, finding your passion. They don't really get into a whole lot of details until you get, let's see, week 4 talks about the ultimate affiliate funnel. And these are not very long videos. They don't go into great detail. They give you the basics, I've found, but it's not a lot of information that I need. As you can see, this one is a minute 13. Let's see here. Email blueprint, scaling and expanding, running affiliate promotions. Congratulations. And then they go into traffic on this section. I think it's a little more lengthy over here. You can look at how to do some YouTube ads, Facebook ads, but these are all just one video. They're an hour long. However, it goes into a little more detail than the other ones you just saw. So and that's about it. There's a toolkit. It talks about some of the tools over here that you can get. They're setting up a custom domain, creating sales, video editing. It goes through some of the basics on all the stuff. We'll just click that video editing. You can see there's a link to get a 30-day trial, of course. This one's 15 minutes, so it goes in a little bit of detail on Camtasia. Outsourcing, enhance your social media, increasing conversions, split testing. I just kind of wanted to go through this website so you guys could see it. Okay, I was going to show you guys the Clickbank Builder, but for some reason it will not let me access that. I bought the subscription for it, paid whatever it was, almost $600, but I could not access it. And I've tried to contact them and haven't been able to get through yet. So basically you can go in here and they'll go through some steps on how to build a funnel, and they've also got a program you can use that will actually build the funnel and everything. So that's about it for Clickbank University, and we're going to move on to Fullstaq now. Okay, we're on the Fullstaq website now. Fullstaq Marketer, if you don't know, it used to be AWOL, AWOL, so you'll see that reference here sometimes. This is their back office, and this is all the training. They have much more training and much more intense training than Clickbank University. Fullstaq Marketer now is you have when you go through the training, you actually will take quizzes and you'll actually get a certification when you complete the entire course. And one of the great things about that is they're going to have a job board where companies are going to be waiting for those that graduate from that to be able to. I mean, it's a very high demand for digital marketers now, so you can imagine there's a whole lot of companies looking for somebody that knows digital marketing. So, but with Fullstaq Marketer, there is it's just a whole lot more. They actually go through the mindset portion of it as well, and that if you don't have a correct mindset, you might as well not even get started with any business, basically, because you will be held back, and I know that for a fact because it happened to me. So we'll start out here with AWOL, the 101 basic, and as Kiala, he's talking about the commitment, what kind of commitment you would make, personal development, high ticket and mentorship, how important that is. That's pretty quick through there. Go back to the Academy, and then we've got the Pro Academy, something you can get right off after you watch the web class. You got the Pre-Academy, Intro to Domain Foundation, setting up your funnel, offers and traffic. Click on each one of these. As you can see, there's several videos. Welcome, getting your custom domain, buying hosting, connecting your hosting, installing WordPress, email. It goes through everything. Setting up your funnel, intro, lead pages. They use funnels now, autoresponder. You can see each one of these, publishing, click magic, and they go into more detail in the further training sessions. Offers and traffic, finding the correct offers you need, getting traffic, advanced funnel setup techniques, software that you need. So you can see there's quite a bit of training in this one. We'll go back here, get to the next one, Inbox Academy. We're going into get response now, which is an autoresponder, email autoresponder. It goes through several things here: setting up a campaign, broadcast versus autoresponders, how to set up everything, API, sending, scheduling, branding, everything you would need, and deliverability, optimization. Teaches you how sometimes when you send out emails through an autoresponder, the person's email service will kick it out to junk. It teaches you how to prevent that, how to craft emails, teaches you all about how to craft an email, relationship building, which is very important, captivating subject lines, writing subheadlines, split testing, list digging, email timing, even tips and tricks, and workflow automation. Very extensive training on emails, setting up your email accounts, conversion. Okay, in the Conversion Academy, we go through storytelling, and each of these are very long videos. It talks about the best way to sell things is telling a story, and it just sets up everything you need to know about telling a story. And also we go through language hacks, mind control language hacks, parts, pattern, presupposition, risk reversal, open loops, embedded commands, direct commands, metaphors. I mean, you can just read down through all these. There's just a ton of stuff on how to write your emails and how to write your copy, which is very important. Written sales technique or tactics. You can see, I mean, it's just a ton of stuff. Mastering consultative selling. And here's something I really haven't looked at: Segment Messenger Bot, $20 million webinar formula. Teaches you how to do a webinar and make money with that. Okay, now we move on to Traffic Academy. And this is one of the, I mean, all the intensive extensive training that they have is a plus, but then you look at the Traffic Academy, you've got fan page, you got Facebook stuff, fan page advertising policies, goes through all the policies. You need to know that. Facebook, setting up your ad account, types of Facebook ads, goes through all the Facebook ads, and Fullstaq has the #1 Facebook guy on the planet, so you really get a lot of intensive knowledge in Facebook, and there wasn't much in Clickbank University for Facebook. So tracking and conversions teaches you all that. Ninja Facebook ad hacks, remarketing, I mean, just on and on and on. He's even got what's called a splinter method. He teaches you, go through video editing for Camtasia, just like very similar to Clickbank. Customer research. Oh, this is YouTube here, I'm sorry. And goes into YouTube training as well. And you see there's many, these are long videos here too. Everything you need to know about setting up a YouTube channel is right here. We've got Instagram, teaches you about Instagram, how to advertise, and the best way to set up an Instagram account. Social launch secrets, solo ads, teaches you about solo ads. It even has a list of those that sell these solo ads, which ones are the best, which ones to use. And here's some more Facebook training, how to set up your pictures, photos, how to stand out, building an audience, how you build an audience, just extensive. That Fullstaq has just an extensive, incredible training. It really is. Masters, I haven't even gone through this one myself. It's just, I mean, you've got all kinds of things about business, dining and entertainment secrets, the power of the S corporation, limitations, pros and cons of sole proprietorship, 4 quadrants of a real estate, losses and real estate professionals, payroll matrix. I mean, there's all kinds of things in the crypto matrix. Why is Bitcoin such a big deal? Is Bitcoin a bubble, etc., etc.? So I mean, it just covers so much. And I'm not talking about the affiliate center or the AWOL TV or none of that. I'm just looking at the training here. And they have further things. If you buy the full package, of course, you get all this. There's different packages they have, but I'm telling you, if you go for the full package on this, it's just like a college course, and you get to go to live events, the Elite Summit, the Affiliate Accelerator. I haven't been to the Elite Summit yet. I went to the Affiliate Accelerator. You build a funnel in 3 days there. They have mastermind groups that meet. There's just a ton of information that I don't possibly have time to go through. So that's a lot about Fullstaq. Again, it's college course material in my opinion, and in my opinion, it's worth every bit of the money. Fullstaq, like I said, you go through all the training. It's just like a college course. You have to take quizzes. You take a final exam on some of the stuff, and then at the end, once you've completed it all, you get your certifications. And if you don't want to do this yourself, there's a job board or there's going to be a job board where companies are looking for graduates. So Clickbank University is much cheaper. You get more general knowledge. With Fullstaq, you get, I mean, the entire thing. You saw how much training you get. It's just overwhelming sometimes, but just go slow through it and don't try to rush. You'll set yourself up a funnel and be ready to go once you go through the Fullstaq training. I hope this helped. Hope the video wasn't too long. I appreciate you guys, and come back to see us on the Life You Love TV. Thank you.